Welcome back to my channel. So this is Vlogmas, and it's been stressful, seriously, like posting videos, but you know what we do here, being consistent with content. So today I'll be unboxing the items that I got from AliExpress. AliExpress is an online store where you get to shop affordable stuffs, and registering is very free and easy. Their products are very cheap and affordable, so you can get anything you want from there, whether clothes or anything. Remember that I got this mic that I use for these YouTube sit down videos. I got the mic from there, and I got it for 4 naira. That was my first order, I think. So I'll be opening up some of the packages that I got from them. I got a lot of packages from them. I ordered these products. I ordered 2 months ago, so they got delivered day for yesterday. That's 2 days ago. So I'm going to be opening them up so you can see what I got, and I'll be telling you if it's the same thing with what I ordered. So I hear a lot of persons say they are scammed from AliExpress and they got the items that they didn't know. What they were saying is not the items that we were giving, but this one is different because I've ordered from them twice and they've delivered really well. But I'll be checking out the ones I ordered last month if it's going to be the same. So the first one I'm going to be opening up is okay. So this is, I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. So this is the smoothie fruit blender. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the smoothie blender, guys, and I got this blender because Christmas Day in the new city there's no lights, so I want something that I can use to blend tomatoes or smoothie, to make juice when there's no light. This is blend at a go. All you need to do is to charge it up. It comes with a strainer. You can filter your smoothie, and there's a manual inside, a paper manual, which I won't be needing because I already know how to use it. And this is the charger. All I need to do is to connect to my power bank or get a charger head for it. And this is how it is. This is the 6 blade, guys. So you can also open this place up. This is the 6 blade. Don't know if you can see. So let me just see if it will. Right now I've not charged it because I'm just opening them up. So if you want to blend, you just press this button twice. Can you hear the sound? So I'll just let it be so that when I finish charging it, I'll be able to start using it. I got some watermelon and pineapple yesterday, so I'll be using it to test it out. And the next item here, I've opened some of them just to see what is inside, or just to confirm that all my products are complete. So here I'm using an interior charge. I'm using an 18 inches ring light currently, so I got a phone stand for it, another one because one got broken and I can't find the rest. So this one also is a phone stand that I can use on my tripod when I go out. Maybe I want to make vlogs, or I want to take pictures, because I take my Instagram pictures myself. If you would like to see how I take my pictures, let me know in the comment section. Then the next one on the list is this one. I haven't opened this one. I really don't know what is inside. Okay. Oh, okay. This is the makeup bag that I ordered, and the same with the same color. So tell me why. I don't know why some of you say that you didn't get what you ordered. So guys, this is the makeup bag that I ordered. I got this for, I think, 400 naira there, and I didn't pay any extra shipping fee. So guys, this is how it comes. There's space for makeup brushes and all of that good stuff. So the next on the list is I'll be showing you. I got some meat pie I wanted small meat pie cutters, so I got about, I think I ordered about three meat pie cutters, small ones, and I got them. It came in a whitish watercolor-ish, and this is the blue and this is the green. So I'll be opening up the blue color so you guys can see how it looks like. So this is a small meat pie cutter. All you have to do is just to put your dough and your filling, and then you just, and it comes out voila, like a meat pie shape. So that's for that. And I got some memory cards too, because guys, I've been having issues with storage space. I'm using an Android phone to film and it's not been funny, like it's not funny. So I got memory cards. I got two of these, the 64 gig. I got two 64 gig so that I can make videos and then save them up, so that whenever I want to post, to be very much easy for me and my phone will not be saying storage space. That's why I got this, and it came out nice. I've tested it in my phone. I'm using the other one to vlog, right, to make this video right now, and it is nice, guys. No corrupted file or anything. So I would want you guys to go check this out and get one for yourself. So the next on the list, I got this. Yes, I got this Nivea Blackberry Shine Lip Balm. I got this in this color. This is actually light brown. And then I got this famous, I've always seen this red cherry lip mask. You just put it on your lips and then you peel it off after a few minutes, and it just stays like pink lips. So I've not got to try it out. I'll try it out and let you guys know how it turned out to be. Then I got something else also. Okay, I got some makeup stuff, and these are makeup foam. How do I call it? The one you use for your powder, like those small makeup foams, like beauty blenders that you use for your powder, and your, this is it. Don't know if you guys can see. Then this light is too bright. I think I need to reduce it. So this is how it comes. It's a lot. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. It came in 6. There are 6 of them here. And I also got these beauty blenders also. They are very small, but like I'm thinking of starting up like selling this stuff, because I see that it's very expensive in the market, but AliExpress has them very cheap. And most of my friends tell me that, oh Sharon, why don't you sell this thing for me, why don't you order this for me, and all of that. And as a student, me, I need money, so I think I'll go into such business. Oh god, I ordered this one too. These are nice. I don't know if you guys can see. These are nice these are nice little what's it called, pendants for your necklaces, for you guys that like wearing gold necklaces. These are little pendants. It came in 15 and this was very affordable, guys. I got this for 1,000 naira. 15 pendants for 1,000 naira, which is very much affordable. As you guys, I don't know if you guys can see them. So sorry, my camera and the light is just too much. Oh man. Okay, this is how one of them looks. So moving on to the next one, I got this makeup eyeshadow. This eyeshadow makeup is very small, but I like it because it has so many colors, and I tested it out. A little goes a long way, and it's really nice, very affordable. I got this for 200 naira on AliExpress, and I did not pay any extra fee. Then coming to the best part, which I love, I mean I take my pictures myself, so I don't have people that come around often, and I'll tell them, okay, take my picture. So I got this Bluetooth shutter. They were very much affordable. I think I got this for 300 naira each. All I have to do is when I want to take my pictures, I just place my phone somewhere, connect it with this Bluetooth, and then click. Whenever maybe I want to just snap, I'm like this, I can just click and it will snap, click and it will snap, click and it will snap. So that's why I got this blue. I got the white and I got the black, one for me and one for my cousin. So this is the Bluetooth shutter. And I also got some AirPods. I got some AirPods and these were also affordable. This is Android AirPod. Alright guys, I got the white and I got the green. Don't know why you guys can't really see because of my wall. My wall is green, so it's really difficult for you guys to see. So this is how it looks. This is the green. So this is how it comes. It comes in a pair. This one is a bit bigger than the white. So you have two for both ears. And I got each for I think 1,500 for each. On the normal day outside they sell it as in the market, you get to buy it for 3,000 naira. But I got it for less and I'm so happy, guys. So the last on the list is this. I got this makeup brush. I've always wanted to have a lot of makeup brushes that I see a lot of makeup artists and YouTubers using makeup brushes, different types to do different things, whether for your shadows, blushes and all of that. So that's why I ordered this. This came in 12. This came in a set of 12. So there are 12 brushes here of different uses. So I'll be trying them out, maybe do a makeup video for you guys. So there are a lot of them. I got this green color. I really like this green color. Like there are very many with different mouths, different brushes on it. So guys, that's the end of this video. I wanted to make it uncut and short, but I don't know how come it entered. How many? Is it 12 I'm seeing? I don't know how many minutes this is. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for other of my deliveries that will be coming in. Right now these ones are from AliExpress. If you want to know how to order from AliExpress, please send me a DM on Instagram, or you can message me my email to ask me questions. If you would want me to film how to order from AliExpress, then I would gladly do it for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye.